How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55. So these are the steps in which you can hard reset Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55. So you can delete all data on your Samsung Galaxy A35 by resetting the device to factory settings. So follow the instructions to learn how factory reset your device. So the first thing you need to do is go for the start screen and open up the menu and swipe up on the screen. Once you just swipe up, then you will get the applications right here. So once you get the applications, you just need to simply choose settings under your application. Once you choose, you need to scroll down under you find accounts and backups, and then you will find general management under that. Tap on general management. Under general management, you will have an option of reset. Tap on reset and then tap on factory data reset, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And then you need to scroll down and choose reset. Once you tap on reset, then you will have delete all option. So simply tap on delete all, and after that, all of the data and settings saved on your Samsung Galaxy A35 will be deleted. And then Samsung Galaxy will automatically reset and reboot. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.